This is my Satin Pothos, and honestly, it got completely out of control. The stems were tangled, messy, and it stopped looking healthy. So today, I'm going to fix this without cutting the whole plant and make it bushy again. Hi, welcome to my channel. If you love calm plant care and simple fixes, you are in the right place. Satin pothos grow slowly, but the stem gets long and start overlapping. When we don't guide the growth, the plant becomes tangled instead of bushy. This doesn't mean the plant is unhealthy. It just needs direction. First, I gently separate each stem. I never pull or force the vines because satin pothos stems are delicate. If a leaf bends, I pause. This step needs patience and the plant respond better when we stay gentle, you know. Instead of cutting these long stems, I am folding the nodes back into the soil. See, each node has the potential to grow the roots. I'm just using a simple hairpin to hold the stem in the place so it stay in the contact with the soil. Over time, these buried nodes will root and activate new leaves. The plant looks healthier and more balanced without stress from cutting or water propagation. This is how the plant looks. I will wait a day so the nodes can settle. Bright indirect light and patience is all it needs now. Plant don't need perfection, just gentle care and time. This is how the plant looks after shaping. If this helped you, let me know in the comment and I will see you in the next video.